ABC CHOMP!
Hi, everyone. Are you ready to play ABC CHOMP with me, Ari the Alligator? Today's letter is the letter C. Do you know any words that start with the letter C? How about cat? C-A-T. Or what about cow? C-O-W. Hey, what time is it? Do you have a clock? C-L-O-C-K. Ooh, and if we go to the beach, maybe we can see a crab. C-R-A-B. Oh, or maybe we can drive in a car. C-A-R. Yay! Okay, these are the words that start with the letter C. Let's try to find them when we play ABC CHOMP. Okay, so now we're going to play Uppercase, and we'll play the level for the letter C. Let's do easy mode. All right, so we can see the words when they come down. Here we go. Oh, did you see them? All right, let's say the letters. Ready? C A R. Oh, that spells car. Do you remember where car was? I think I know. It's behind number 1. Oh, wait, no. Maybe it was behind number 2? Oh, no, maybe it was behind number 3? Huh? Number 4? Number 5? I don't. Okay, let's try number 4. Ready?
Nope, it's not clock.
Oh, no, that's a clock. Was it behind number 5?
Nope, it's not cat.
Oh, no, that's a cat. Oh, it's behind number 2, right?
Nope, it's not.
No, that's a cow. Oh, I'm not very good at this game today. Is it behind number 3?
Nope, it's not.
No, that's a crab. Okay, maybe it's behind number 1.
Yes.
Yay, we got it.
Can you read this word?
All right, ready?
C
C-O-W.
W.
Oh, that spells cow. Oh, we just saw the cow. Do you remember where it is? It's behind number 5. No, before. Oh, is it behind number 4? Let's check.
Nope, it's not.
Oh, no. It was behind number 3.
Nope, it's not.
Oh, no. It's behind number 5.
Nope, it's not.
Oh, no. It's behind number 2.
Yes, it's.
Okay, we got it.
Can you read this word?
All right, let's say the letters. Ready?
C
C-A-T.
T.
Oh, that spells cat. Oh, I know that number 4 is a clock. Was it number 3 or number 5? Number 3 or number 5? I think it was number
Yes.
5. Yay!
Can you read this word?
Okay, let's say the letters.
C
C-R-A-B.
R A B.
Oh, that spells crab. It's not. Is it number 3? No, is it number? I think it's behind number 3. Here we go.
Yes.
Yay!
Can you read this word?
All right, let's say the letters.
C
C-L-O-C.
L O C
K. That spells clock. And I know it's behind number 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's behind number 4.
Yes.
Yay! All right, good job. So now we can eat the words that start with the letter C. All right, let's jump.
Dress.
Just no.
Cat.
Can I eat a cat? Yes.
Yummy. Dress.
Can I eat a dress? No, I can't.
Cow.
Cow. Oh, yeah.
Yummy. Dog.
Dog. Oh, no.
Bed.
No, I can't.
Cow.
Cow, yes, I can. Oh, no, that's dangerous.
Car.
A car, yes.
Yummy. Car.
Oh, another car, yummy.
Good job.
All
How
right.
many words did you get?
How many words did we get? Let's check. How many cats? We got 1 cat. How many cows? We got what? Oh, no, not 1. We got 2 cows. How many crabs? We got 0 crabs. How many clocks did we get? We got 0 clocks. How many cars did we get? We got 2 cars. Yay! So we got 900 points. Good job. If you play ABC Chomp, can you get more points than me? Remember, after you play the game, you can get the free worksheets to practice writing the letters and the words. Yay! ABC Chomp is so fun. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
A, B,